Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the legendary world of the Toyota Supra Mk4, a car that's captivated gearheads around the globe. This iconic sports car isn't just a machine, it's a symbol of engineering excellence, cultural impact, and a tuner's dream come true. So, what makes the Supra Mk4 so popular? Let's break down the reasons behind its enduring fame. First up, the heart of the beast, the 2JZ GTE engine. This 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six is renowned for its incredible durability and tuning potential. With a stock output of 321 horsepower and 315 pound-ft of torque, the Supra was already a formidable machine. But what truly sets it apart is how easily this engine can be modified. Enthusiasts have pushed it to over 1000 horsepower with the right upgrades, cementing its legendary status in the tuning community. The Supra Mk4 isn't just about raw power, it's also about precision. The car's handling showcases Toyota's engineering prowess, featuring a well-balanced chassis and advanced suspension setup. This makes it not only a straight-line monster but also a joy to drive through twists and turns. With a top speed of 177 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of 4.7 seconds, the Supra Mk4 stood tall among the performance cars of its era. But the Mk4 Supra's appeal isn't just under the hood. It's packed with advanced technology, like the sequential turbocharging system. This setup allows one turbo to spool at lower RPMs for quicker response, while the second turbo kicks in at higher RPMs for maximum power. The result? A smooth and linear power delivery that enhances both performance and drivability. Safety and comfort weren't overlooked in the Supra's design. It came equipped with advanced ABS brakes, traction control, and a dual-stage airbag system. Inside, you could find luxurious options like leather seats, automatic climate control, and a premium sound system. These features made the Supra not just a high-performance machine but also a comfortable and safe daily driver. Let's not forget the design. The Mk4 Supra's sleek, aerodynamic lines and distinctive features, like the iconic rear wing, make it instantly recognizable. It's a design that has aged gracefully and continues to turn heads even today. Whether you prefer its aggressive stance or smooth curves, there's no denying that this car has timeless style. The rarity and collectability of the Supra Mk4 have only increased over time. With fewer well-maintained models available, its value has skyrocketed, making it a prized possession for collectors. It's not just a car, it's an investment and a piece of automotive history that continues to appreciate. The Toyota Supra Mk4 is also famous for its distinctive gear-shifting sound, especially with the 6-speed manual transmission. The crisp and precise gear engagement produces a satisfying mechanical sound, enhancing the driving experience. This auditory feedback, combined with the solid feel of the shifter, makes every gear change an engaging and tactile experience, further connecting the driver to the car. Another standout feature of the Supra Mk4 is its iconic exhaust note. The 2JZ-GTE engine produces a deep, throaty growl that enthusiasts love, especially when paired with an aftermarket exhaust system. This distinctive sound is a hallmark of the Supra experience, making it easily recognizable on the road or track. Stunning design and collector status makes the Toyota Supra Mk4 an enduring icon. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car content.